Come test drive the 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.